Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. This is Sohail Abbasi from MeritPros. Let's get started.
Now guys, stage is all yours. Go ahead and shoot some questions on me. Bombard it, the questions.
Yeah. So what are your schedule, right? So on the 1 minute difference, right? So can it be done for every commit or something? Every push or something?
This is for every single push.
Every single, no, I'm saying like, oh, so, okay, so it's configured for every minute, right? So
Right.
what if in case I push something like, in between, immediately
Yes,
then
we can do that. We can do that. Whenever new build comes, it will trigger, the execution in Jenkins also. It can be done also.
Can
It
be
is
done. Right. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Yeah, it's used for mobile application also.
Right. Whether it is an API or it is a mobile-based application or it is a web-based application or even if it is available for database testing. All the possible combinations are there.
Okay.
You can use it for every single platform.
Sir, I have a question that how Jenkins is different from the other tools like we are using Cucumber also, Maven also. Then means why we prefer Jenkins?
Basically, you use Cucumber for what?
Web application automation.
Right? Cucumber is an integrated tool, right, along with Selenium or APM, which allows you to write your code and writing your script in a Gherkin language, right?
Yes.
Can it execute your code multiple times in any repository?
No.
No, right? But Jenkins does. That's why we use Jenkins.
Okay. So actually, sir, I just only did a Selenium course. So no, Selenium with Jenkins is sufficient for the to get a job.
Selenium with Jenkins, right? It is more than sufficient as long as you know the actual practical applications of both these tools.
Okay.
Fine.
Thanks, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
How to run job for environment specific like date, QA, UAT. Yeah, Suresh, we will see all those things. Don't worry about it, right? We will see all of these things in our coming lectures. I have all these things in my bucket to solve for you.
I have one more question. Like we have used GitHub right now to link that. So similar way we have a GitLab also, right? So is it like something different tool or
No. Same. It's same.
Okay. Because
Right.
I got
These are
confused,
simple. These are simple. UI parts available, right? Actual repository is Git. Okay.
Okay.
And the visibility is via GitHub and GitLab.
Okay. So it's like same in the same different organization they are owning it, or was like
No, same. For example, you are having a engine of bike, right? So you're riding a Charisma. That is fine. At the same time, you are riding the Splendor, right? So just the UI is different, but the body, the engine is same. Getting my functionality is same. It's like that.
Okay. Got it.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. Actually, now we have created a freestyle project, right? So does a CICD pipeline come into picture here?
Yes, CI is already available, right? Continuous integration.
Yes. Like so, the pipeline. What is the build and all? So it is going into the same process, right? Even if we select, if we create a project using pipeline or it's a freestyle or Maven, yeah, anything will go into CI/CD pipeline. Correct.
Right. Exactly.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, guys. So was it understandable? Was it clear enough?
Yeah.
Give your honest opinion, guys. Criticize me if you think.
No, it was really helpful. Yeah.
Great. Any more questions for me, guys?
I have one last question from me actually. Yeah. So you said the execution, right? So I have a question like when it come to mind, like yeah. So for what are the program you written you can execute. So how about like if something on the UI front, right? So maybe the UI developers also need to push in some code, right? So but for them there will not be something to execute, right? So it will be like they just need to push the code. So how the execution?
No. It's like that. They always keep the code and they always run unit test. Remember, Unit
Okay.
testing is always done by the developers. So
Right.
what they do, whenever they write their code for the particular respective module, they always write unit test. And then when they commit their code, this Jenkins execute their unit test and provide the results for them.
Oh, okay. So what if in case they are not writing the unit test case? I mean, if they just
Then
push only the
it will go onto the test server and testers will execute it.
yeah, I mean testers will execute it, but Jenkins will not be able to execute, right?
Right,
And
but without unit testing, developers cannot commit the code, not even in the Git repository. So there is no question of committing the
all
code
right.
and executing the job in Jenkins without unit tests.
Okay, okay, okay,
Got
got
it?
it. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
So, yeah, hi Soil. I have a question. I'm asking, currently I could see many organizations using XLR integrations, like XLR pipeline integrations. So how Jenkins is different with XLR integrations?
Basically, XLR integration is related to only development activities, right? It is core specifically related to development activities. But we have never used XLR integration. We always deal in the Jenkins part because we want to complete the software development life cycle. So it's not only about developing the stage, developing, testing, and deployment, all these three things. Maybe nowadays in the upcoming features or maybe in the recent features, we have all these functionalities in XLR integration also, but I'm not aware of it. The last time when I heard about this XLR integration, it supports only development. So right now I'm not aware of the latest one, but yes, for the past this last one which I studied, it used to support only for the development.
Yeah, actually they also used XLR for deployment only. That's why I asked. Same things we did in this demo for with Jenkins, right?
Uh-huh. But XLR, I think it is a paid one, right?
I'm not aware about that.
Because it is a open source, in my opinion, that's why people use this one. Because it is
Okay.
open. All right, great guys. Then I think it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for your cooperation. You guys were nice throughout the sessions. Thank you so much for your support. See you guys in the next session. Take care, everyone. Have a nice time ahead. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope the covered topics will help you in your career development and growth. See you in our next video.